This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, guys. Making sure I am audible. Use the chat box and you type as yes. Then we will continue. Thank you. Yesterday, I was explaining something about a keyword. This is what you can see the keyword here on a search intent and keyword type. When you have here like information, commercial oriented, then transactional oriented, short tail keywords, long tail keywords, and local keywords, location based keywords. So we have to check what kind of exactly the users are going to type. Okay, as I said in the last class, one is search term and one is keyword intent itself. And whenever you type any search intent and keyword type, so it is to be matched, like the word is to be matched exactly, then phrases must be matched and broad must be matched. So there are three types of matching. Make ensure the negative keywords not to be used, and search terms you have to use. Then conversion, that creates your conversion. Then qualified leads you will be getting. Then finally it happens sales. Then you will be having return on ad spend. This is the complete structure of this keyword. This I will send you in the WhatsApp. And one more, uh, I told you, James, in the last class, like campaign, display campaign. So this is a small example. Whenever you create a display campaign or display ad types, make ensure ad groups. Inside that ad groups, you must have a proper title, and this is the ad group, like ad group 1, ad group 2, ad group 3. So ad group 3 is for remarketing, ad group is for 2 is for career and education, and ad group 1 is for digital marketing audience. Like the image must be responsive, display ad image 1, image 2, image 3. And here also same thing, responsive display image 1 and image 2, what exactly the career and education audiences. Then in the remarketing, website visitors and check out the previous visitors and engagers. So this makes you the complete set of this area. So this is what a small example of display ads. And one more I would like to take you towards, sir, how do I create a ads? So to create ads, what is required, especially the steps, what has to be done, like a step 1, step 2, step 3. So I'll be sharing that. So here you can see what is the step 1, step 2, step 3 for search ads. The step 1 in the screen, you have to select the campaign objective. The campaign objective, it is to get a lead. In the lead, you have to select the campaign type. Would you like to go for search or display ads? So in this example, I'm going to take search. The third one, it belongs to what? Campaign name. What campaign name you are looking sorry, looking for, like digital marketing search ads. Then the fourth one, important thing is location. Where exactly the ads has to be played, and this is to be get displayed. Then budget and bidding. The daily budget is how much. If you are spending, ready to spend your organization like 500 rupees, and make ensure that is to be daily, maximum conversions has to be happen. And this bidding strategy helps you to get more conversions within your budget. But important thing is what? Keywords. You have to add the relevant keywords for your advertisements. So how do you get the keywords, or how do you analyze the keywords? There are some industry tools are there, but that must be paid one. Okay, but Google itself is giving you one tool called as Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner. Use that and search for keywords. Like if I am targeting digital marketing course, and enter digital marketing course itself, and digital marketing training in Bangalore, then Best Digital Marketing Institute, digital marketing classes, online digital marketing classes. So, something like innovative keywords and what users are going to type, that and all you have to select. And enter the negative keywords, like add negative keywords like a free, like you do not enter the negative keywords like free, then jobs, salary, PDF, okay, then syllabus, that and all. Avoid, try to avoid those things. Now come to the next main heading part is heading lines. What is a heading 1? Okay, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Like in the heading 1, you can take the digital marketing course in Bangalore, then practical training by experts. Next, 100% placement assistance, enroll now, and limited seats. And maximum length that would be 30. And here you have a description. You have to describe the things, description 1, description 2, within the 90 characteristics. Uh, like describe one, what exactly that, like learn digital marketing with live projects, practical training in the industry experts guidance, and what modules you have in the digital marketing, SEM, SEO, and website designing, Google Ads. So that and all you try to be added. Next, you go for site links. So yesterday I explained about that extensions and all. Okay. So you make ensure what you are going to be adding the site links for your ads. So courses, then about us, contact us. Okay. If it is not required, then you can delete and you can add, customize it. Then what is the conversion tracking? In the conversion tracking, like it is to be lead form submission or phone call, WhatsApp click, how this has to be, conversions has to be happen. Then finally you have a final review and launch, like whatever you have done, the step 1 to step last step, like 11 steps. So you will be having complete uh, overview, like what is objective, then campaign type, then campaign name, location, then budget, then bidding strategy, then keywords. So I've used 5 keywords, and negative keywords like 6 negative keywords. Then would you like to take that what I can say, would you like to take the launch your campaign or not? Okay, but if billing details, if that added, then you start launching the campaign. If that not added, then do not launch. Then once get started running, then it's affect for your bank account details. So this is a small example how this has to be followed. So here we have the first step what I would like to take. So could you tell me what is the URL to be used now to get into the advertisements? Anybody? What is the URL name? Use the chat box and you type what URL or what name should I use to create ads. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Simran. The URL is called as ads.google.com. So, how many of you gone through that formulas? Hope you, everyone, you studied that. So, you type ads.google.com, and click sign in. Now, in this account details, last time I created yesterday NICT Computer Education. So I'm clicking for my account. So even I told you in the last class how to create an account. So you could you tell me any one of you have any doubts? How do I create a ad account? Use the chat box and you type your queries for Google Ads account, then billing details. Okay. So now what I would like to do is just you click on create once if you connected your account. So then you click on create and start the campaign. Now system automatically identifies all the details, but I don't want to follow what Google is assisting for us. So what I will do, I will be skipping now. Okay, make ensure the steps what I'm doing. So I started uh, in the strategy. What is the first thing is step number one, open ads.google.com, then select Google Ads account. Then in the third step, click create. When you click for create option, then select campaign. Click create, select campaign. So in the campaign option, as I told you, uh, you have to select leads. The last screenshot, I told you to select leads, then automatically gets appear one more campaign or one more screen. So now here what has to be done? So what is a campaign type? Now what is a campaign type? My campaign type is towards search. Okay, so hope you are understanding here what I'm doing. So first select lead. Secondly, you select search. Okay. So in the main interface, make ensure where you have to select. This is the first screen where you have to mark. So just so I'm sharing one of the screenshot in the WhatsApp group. So whatever I'm clicking here, okay. So you have to follow that same thing. Anyhow, you will be having recording, no problem. But even though if you want to continue with the reference of uh, parameters, you can do this. Then you have to skip whenever you click on this campaign, then directly it's getting the first screen, but earlier it was not activated, the direct one, because I clicked first skip button, then only you will be getting this option. Okay, so now when you select the lead, then next you have, after the leads, select search. Okay, when you select the search, then is asking that campaign name. Campaign name. So I told you what is the campaign name to be entered. Do you remember what I gave in that campaign name? So campaign name, if you want, you can take like a digital course search Bangalore leads. Okay, just for your understanding, I'm taking. So start like this. So I have used digital marketing course, DM course, search Bangalore leads. Or else even you can go for one more, digital marketing, then search Bangalore leads. So something like this. Okay, if you want, you can take in any one of this, or this one. Now is asking for uh, conversion goal. What is the conversion goal system is asking? So what is the exact goal? Now I'm going to redirect that to website visit. Okay. So select website or store visit. So I'm going to take website visit. So here I selected NICT computer education. So something like this. The sixth one is select the way you would like to reach your goal. So my goal is toward website visit. So then enter the website URL, whatever you have used. Then you click continue. So this is the first block. Once it is done, next is asking choose your leads conversion goal. So it's saying that conversion goal. So in the conversion goal, when you click next, sorry, when you click continue. So now what has to be selected in the conversion goal? Make ensure the main conversion should ideally that must belongs to your digital marketing course inquiry. Then primary conversions in this list: contact forms business or submissions, phone call, WhatsApp inquiry, course inquiry, then book for counseling and demo. So these are the main conversions should always you have to follow. So what options I have in this category? Look at this. As I said, form, submission, then phone call, and I'm going to select a phone call. If you have already a landing page, in that landing page, the forms must be entered. So like one is form submission from your Google Ads and one is form submission from your site. Okay, so you have to set up. So when you set up, that must be connected. So look at this, is asking from your domain what is a form. Okay, so just if I entered here and I'm taking this the contact. So if I select the branch office, it's get connected to this my page. So what I will do, I'll be copying this and usually oh, to remove this and enter only the contact. Then just apply. Okay, this for landing page. Enter the URL that someone reaches after they successfully filled the form. Okay, so right now I don't want to do that, but make ensure in this example, which is most simple one, just I'm taking that. So you have sign up, you have phone call. Okay, so select that, and still you have some more option like book an appointment, then contact us. So for everything, you have to set up. Look at this. So take the format of this area, this contact, and you can click apply and make ensure here what is saying enter the URL that someone reaches after this, enter their contact information. So if you click apply, it's connected so that you can edit. So like this, you have some setup option, whichever you like that you can select. And also here you can see this option. So heading one, heading two, then phone call. So now what I would like to do is I'll be taking my conversion area is to your phone call. Okay. So here you have to choose your leads conversions leads. So in this example, I selected phone call from your ads. So once if you selected, then is asking again, you can continue. So select the way would you like to reach that your goal. So through website or not. So select. Hmm. Now important thing is budget bidding. As I said, when you click for the bidding, this is the eighth one as I given in the beginning of this class. In the bidding strategy, you have to select maximum conversions. Okay, so you have a target CPA, then target rows, clicks, so CPC, okay, then impression share. So you select, but maximum, what I would like to select, the first one, maximum conversions. They'll be asking like, when I select maximum conversions, what happens? If you don't have any proper conversion tracking, then first configure your conversions rather than blindly optimizing for conversions. This is extremely important if you want Google to learn which searches produce actual student inquiries. So rather than which searches produce cheap click. So that's why preferred direction is to what? Maximum direction or bidding strategy maximum conversion. Then scroll down and click next. Now we have a campaign settings. So in the last class, yesterday's class, I told you one is Google Search Network and Google Display Networks. So it is automatically recommended to be selected. These are the two types of networks. So campaign settings, the ninth one, what I'm doing. So automatically selected Google Search Partner Network. Then next one is Google Display Networks. So these two are recommended. Then we have to set the location. So 10th one, location. So here you have to select the location details, like is it in India, enter that another location. So this is for customization. I'm going to select the Bangalore, and you can see the maximum reaches within the Bangalore city. So it's saying that 36 lakhs something, and even you can select that pin code basis. For example, 50085. So this is pin number basis. If you don't like pin number basis, you can name the city like area wise. So what I'll do, fourth block, Jayanagar, Bangalore. So select Jayanagar fourth. So just you can include and automatically get selected, and enter one more uh, another location. For example, Baswangudi, Bangalore. So select Koramangala, enter. It is also added. If you want complete city, then directly go for Bangalore. So select this entire city, and even you can exclude some of this area. For example, so if you type the city name within the area, that you can include and exclude. So I selected the locations. So enter the location details. One is based on pin numbers, or you can go for city. Once if you added, and here itself you can do include inclusive option and exclude options. Whichever area you don't like, that you make that as exclude option. Then next you go for language settings. So by defaultly it is get selected English language. Then next you have audience segment. 11th one, language English. Then 12th one, audience segment. So if you open this drop down button, you can see you can open and also you can close. So just you click on this and you can browse this. Who is your exact audience? Select that exact audience according to your business requirement. So type students, so current college students, parents of grade schoolers, and as well as advanced degree, bachelor degree. So this what students, and next you go for professionals, working professionals, business categories. So these are the five different types of audience segments I selected. Okay, so these are my targets and also I recommended for the observations. So here I selected as a observations is recommended. Do not put that narrow to reach the direct campaign. Okay, so select what is the exact audience segment is applied. One is a student, then professionals. So once it is done, then next you go for more settings. So in the more settings, you have an option like ad rotation. When do you start your starting of your ads and ending of your ads, ad schedules, then campaign URL options, then page speeds. It is automatically selected. You don't want to do any option, I mean any customization. Suppose if you want to do customization, just you click the pencil mark button and select what exactly you want. So if you don't like ad rotations for optimize, prefer the best performance my ad. Okay, then you go for do not optimize. But Google is asking you to put optimization. Then next you go for second one, schedule. So suppose all days, if you not able to not like to run your ads, then you can select what are the days like Monday to Friday and what time to what time. For example, I used to go for 2 o'clock, then 2 to 4:30, something like this. Again, you can select another ad schedule. For example, I want only on Saturdays and Sunday. So if you don't like the Monday to Friday, so delete it out. Then add only Saturday and Sunday between morning 6 o'clock, then up to 12 o'clock in the middle in the Saturday, and repeat the same thing for Sundays also. Sundays, if you like, after 12 o'clock, like I can go for 1 o'clock to 20 or 21. So select the exact time, add schedule. Okay, if you don't like, you keep that as all days, all time. This is the one. And next thing is start and end dates. Okay, when if you don't like all days in a week, the all days in a in the entire week, so select the dates. So for example, I wanted to run my ads from 13. 13 is my first ads is going to be running in the ad campaign. Then it is to be for 14th. Okay, so 13 and 14. and even you can go for 15th also. So I selected 13, 14, 15. All 3 days has to be running my ads. So that you can select and you keep that option as yes. Next, URL campaign options. So here the tracking template and URL prefix. Okay, so tracking templates is the URL where the ads has to be clicked to go to tracking system. Okay, for example, this is what a tracking system ID. So this is an optional right now. Already we are using Google Analytics. So right now I'm not going to take. So let it be as it is. Next you go for page feeds. So add your page feeds to specify which URL to use your campaign. So it's taking, you use this as an optional also. So once if you attended all this, then you go for next. So here is the option now. So this is a complete AI Max for the search campaign. So it's automatically added. Your Gemini is selected. This is the preview. Okay. And the final URL expansions. This is a small example. Okay. So go for uh, branded search. Show ads only, that unbranded search. I want to have ads, all relevant searches. Then you click next. Then this is the keyword. Keyword automatically, it's an asset for the ad campaign. Okay, keyword and asset generations. This is my URL, my website, and descriptions automatically identified. Then you click generate. If you don't like, you can skip it. Okay, and you can continue on your own word. As I said in the beginning, so you can select the keywords. What keywords you want, that you select and enter. The keywords is important, or else you have to select from the AI, use that AI and enter. So right now, just I have copied and pasted from the documentation. So here also you can select the right keywords from the Google Keyword Planner. Then scroll down. You can see here, this is the first options. So update the keyword suggestions. Yes. So look at this, automatically gets updated. Okay. This is the one of the small example here. And here upgrade your keywords in the broad. So just apply all. Then apply all. Then look at this, the keywords entered, and make ensure is that going to be high intended keywords or not. Okay, so open your chat GPT. Keyword strength. So it's giving you some options and also rating, that you can see what is the strength, what is the priority. Okay, this is a small example of what system has given that keyword strength options. So then once it is come down, then you have add group settings for AI Max. It is automatically selected, like search term matching. Okay, then next you have brand inclusions. If you want to add brands, then you can type like something like NICT. Okay, you can add this list, but right now I'm not going to take because my intention is to what, to create a ads for digital marketing. Okay, then locations of nearest, so you give it for AI Max, no problem. Now come to the main point, like create ads to go more leads. So this is a small example. This is a directory when you supposed to go for, and this is the call. So select India, then phone number that you can see in the preview mode. Hope you all understanding here. Then save this. Then apply. So there's a call setup is over. Then there's a final URL, like from where you have to take the website, the domain is that working or not. Okay. Just do copy along with HTTPS. So paste it and look at this. There was some caution symbol. Now this completely updated. So reload. So due to some network issues, if that goes wrong, then you have to start again when system is asking. Then click next. Languages has been done. This also over, and I selected skip button and asked for keyword options from the keyword. Then this the option where I've taken for the NICT domain. So once it is identified, you can see that uh, right hand side what exactly it's displaying. So computer courses in Bangalore verified. Okay, then continue in the bottom. So the phone call here. So select this, then click apply. That you can see in the bottom. Okay, so in the last class I was telling that extension. Okay, then heading lines. So what the system has taken the heading line, you can change here. So what I want to change my headings. So the headings parameters are important here. I can go for digital marketing course. Just I'm customizing, that's it. Okay, this is the one. And secondly, I'll go for digital marketing course in Bangalore. Okay, then next I'll go for learn digital marketing course. So that you can see in the right hand side, the preview mode, how the Google Ads is going to be displayed for your search area. So look at this computer courses in Bangalore, learn digital marketing. So whatever I'm adding, so it is keep on updating here. Okay, so the relevant things has to be entered. Okay, so if you don't like, it is systematically updated. If you don't like that, then you can go for a new headlines and type it up. So these are the few examples. So still you can type. The maximum length that would be 30. Okay, if you want, you can add some more heading lines that you can see in the parameters what exactly it's happening. Then descriptions. So as I told you, what is the description parameters? So description number one, maximum is the 90 characters. Description number two, you have to describe that entire options like practical training in the digital marketing. So it's saying that 93. Okay, so what I will be doing, digital marketing algorithms. So something. So remove the space. Now it is okay. Next again, go for the third one. Build a job and see the preview now. So you can see in the bottom, whatever heading lines and descriptions you have added, that has been updated here. Okay. Then next you go for business names and logo. So you can get access. But you must have a Google Assets, means when you don't have a name and a logo, so Google will ask your URL to access them. So right now we will use that manually, but right now it is not recommended for the search. Then you go for site links now. So in the site links, so important thing is what you have to add CTA and other stuff. So select 60% discount, so that you can see in this bottom, and in the middle limited seats, only for today. Then you click create. And one more call, something like this. Jayanagar Center. sorry, final URL. If that connected, is it okay? If that not connected, then you have to wait. Suppose, sir, still I don't know how to do this. Then you can go for view some, ask for some ideas. Heading lines include popular keywords. Make the headlines the unique. Okay. So you can select one, two, three, and even you can modify this. Then callouts. So limited seats. So click save, apply. So once it has been added, then directly go for next. And this is the budget. You can confirm your things, authentications. No. So you can set the budget limit. So what I want, 500 rupees per daily. So this is my daily budget. Even you can select, if you don't like my complete budget of my ads is 1000. This is the starting and ending date. Then you click next. If this is the overall overview, what and all you have done, then click apply now. That you can view later. You can set that one, site link, then conversions, whatever you have been added. Yes, so scroll down. So in the review portions, because it's not the real one, whatever I've entered, this just it is going to be the bidding strategies, and you can edit. So here I'm going to take the same. So in the review mode, so wait for a minute. I have to approve this. I'm not getting this number. Now it is authorized. It is verified. So now everything is marked as gray, what is it, blue color, but still is asking that for 3 days whatever I have used, this is not sufficient, that budget is to run. Okay, so I'm going to take the recommended one, no problem. So set this next. Set the custom limit. 2000. Still is saying that because whatever number of days I have selected, based on that it's asking the campaign dates. So then this is to be around 2000 I will give and say this. So it has to be satisfied by the all criterias. Recommended is 4000, up to 5000 we have to keep. So no problem, continue. So higher budget if you keep, then it start works on this. So this is one draft I have created here. This is the first campaign. So if you want to continue again, open the draft and finally you publish it. So again, if you want to create one more, again go to new campaign. So this time, look at this. I'm selecting my business name, then my website name, and simply I click next without skipping. Leads, then continue. So phone call it automatically taken. Search, create a new campaign, then phone call, whatever system earlier it was asking, the same criteria you have. So leads from the submission. Look at this maximum conversion, acquisition, click next. Google search partner, whatever I selected, everything is applied here. Okay, so here I'm going to select Bangalore. Language, click next. Then this is AI suggestions, click next. If you want to generate, you can generate it. And this option automatically identifies from the website. So last time whatever I have shown you, that was one of the customization. And look at this is updated. Okay. So and look at this ad strength is up. That goes to up to 80%. Then this my budget campaign. So click next. So this is ready to publish our campaign now. Once if you review, then it start works. So now apply now. That's all. So here you will get that options, which campaign is ready to go, because due to insufficient balance this is not running. Hope you all understood. Any doubts? So I will send you the steps. So please check in the WhatsApp. So again check your WhatsApp. In the beginning, whatever I've used for explanation, the step 1, step 2, step 3, that and all I've used. And even I've sent in the WhatsApp. So everyone try to create this. And if there is any queries, then we will continue in the next class. So see you all. Take care of yourself and practice this. Once you check your WhatsApp, okay. So see you all. Meet you in the next class tomorrow.